students, today we are going to talk about the Constituent Assembly, its composition. Let's learn something about the Constituent Assembly and its composition. So, the Constituent Assembly. This concept is proposed by Amendment in 1934. Of my name, several persons have proposed, but Amendment which categorically referred to proposal of the Constituent Assembly. The official demand proposed by Amendment, but the official demand is joined by the INC in 1935. Then under which plan? The Cabinet Mission Plan. Under the Cabinet Mission Plan, the Constituent Assembly was formed. Next, let's talk about the composition of the Constituent Assembly. So what is the composition of the Constituent Assembly? Simply, the composition is 389 and this is divided into 296 and 93. The 296 is about the British India provinces and the 93 is about the princely states. Next, divide this British India into two types of province. Mind is, in many books you find it, but literally people don't know about this. Let's understand. The 292, this 292 from the governor provinces and this 4 from the chief commissioner provinces, CCP, GP and CCP. Such form. Let's talk about the election and the result. What is the election? The election happened in 1946 for the Constituent Assembly and the result was declared 2086, 208 seats gained by the INC, Indian National Congress, 73 by the Muslim League and the 15 seats are taken by the teenage parties. This is the election result and the Constituent Assembly members get here. Next, let's talk about the Indian Independence Act. After the Indian independence, what happened? After the Indian independence in 1947, the membership got reduced to 389 to 299. Obvious reason, Pakistan division, partition of India. That's the obvious reason. Mind it, 389 to 299. Then the princely states number decreased 93 to 70. British provinces number decreased 296 to 229. Remember these topics. And by this also Indian Independence Act, so India become a sovereign body, sovereign nation, and the Constituent Assembly become a sovereign body. It was working under the British rule, but now it become a sovereign body. And it's also done some legislative function. These two things is important regarding the Constituent Assembly. Let me comment on what are your doubts about this section. In the next video, I will going to teach about a more interesting topic. Okay, thank you.